Let's turn to the other big story tonight, the Pratyusha Banerjee suicide case. India Today has now accessed details of her boyfriend Rahul Raj Singh's police statement. He was quizzed for the first time on the day Pratyusha died, when he spoke about his relationship with the actress and gave details of the sequence of events. Rahul says he and Pratyusha were living together and had moved to his Harmony residence flat 2 months ago. On Thursday, he left the apartment around 1:50 p.m. for some work and returned to find that the door was closed from inside. He opened the door with the help of a blacksmith and his cook and found Pratyusha hanging from the ceiling fan. Rahul claims he took her immediately to the hospital where she was declared dead. In his second statement a day later, Rahul added that he did not have any fight with Pratyusha and he had no idea why she took the extreme step. Well, let's turn to friends of Pratyusha Banerjee, remember, who have been raising several troubling questions in this story. From Mumbai today, I'm joined by Kamya Punjabi. She's an actor and someone who knew Pratyusha well. Vikas Gupta, director. Anuj Sachdeva, a neighbor. And Neeraj Gupta, who's Rahul's lawyer. I appreciate all of you joining us. I want to come to you, Kamya, first, because you've been rather outspoken and believe that Pratyusha was in a bad relationship, which you believe was at the heart of her decision to commit suicide. Would that be fair to say?
Definitely Pratyusha was in a troubled relationship with Rahul Raj Singh. I never liked Rahul, that's why I was kind of distanced from her. And Rahul was also harassing her, used to doubt on her, and what we saw last on Pratyusha's dead body was some injury mark on her nose and her face. So definitely, we are not saying, we are not saying it's a suicide, we are not saying it's a murder. We just want to know, we just want the police to investigate and get the truth out as soon as possible. We just want that, we're requesting that.
Vikas Gupta, do you also share these feelings that Kamya is expressing?
See, what Kamya here is saying is what a lot of the other people who have had spoken to Pratyusha in the last 2 months before the unfortunate incident happened was about how Pratyusha was going through in this relationship, while Rahul and his lawyer have mentioned time and again that they were in a very happy relationship. That is not the truth. There was a phone call made to Kamya Punjabi by Pratyusha telling her that Rahul was cheating on her. Rahul has in his version to the police clearly mentioned the fact that they were partying the whole night. In the morning he left for church and he came back. The night he keep mentioning that there was a party happening in the house with 3 people. Pratyusha Banerjee has made a call at around 2:30 in the night to Leena Dias, who's a common friend, crying and saying that she's in an extremely bad relationship, she wants to get out of it, she needs help, and she's going to fight back. And in few hours from there, she's found dead. So, like we said, we do not know what happened behind the closed doors, but that definitely the version that has been mentioned by the lawyer and by Rahul does not match to what really has happened, because that's the dots are not kind of forming together. I think that's where our concerns are lying and why we are raising a voice here.
Okay, I want to also bring in Anuj Sachdeva before I go to Rahul's lawyer. Anuj Sachdeva, you're a neighbor of Pratyusha. Do you bear out any of this? Did you see any evidence that suggested that this was a relationship that had gone very badly wrong?
See, I would really say the honest answer is that I don't know them so well anyway, but Jaycos shifted like 3 to 4 months back. I saw them coming in and, I got to know that they shifted right across to my flat. We used to talk like being in the same profession. It's more like how she's been, how you say, how the profession's going, how's everything going. Not really specifically talking about anything which is more personal to her life or my life. But on that particular day, I remember, because I was supposed to leave and I was rushing out of the house. And around 12:30, I remember, it must be 12 p.m. noon time. And I was leaving, and while I was in the passage, and I pressed the button for the lift to come up. At that time, I heard her really crying really loud. She must be in the hall, I'm sure, because that's why I could hear it outside the door. And doors were shut, so since I was not so close to her, initially I thought maybe I should just ring the bell and check if she's fine. But then the second thought was, why would I get into a personal matter of somebody
This was 12 noon.
How usually we do is, I thought maybe it's
Neeraj,
one of those bad days which she must have had fight with.
Anuj, this was 12
Yeah,
noon.
12,
This
around
was
12
noon on the day that she committed suicide or allegedly committed
Yes,
suicide.
the same day.
The same day.
Around that time, I'm sure 15-20 minutes maybe.
Okay. Neeraj Gupta, you're Rahul's
Same
lawyer.
day,
You're
yeah.
listening to these
So
various
I heard
versions.
that and I
Neeraj Gupta, you're Rahul's lawyer. You're listening to these various versions. Let's be clear. Nobody is prejudging or suggesting under any circumstances foul play at this moment. But how do you respond to those who claim that Rahul is not telling the full truth when he claims that this was a perfectly harmonious relationship?
See, so far as this case is concerned, I can only say at this juncture that whatever they are saying or any friend is saying, let them go before the police, let them make a statement, let the police inquire the matter. And if the police will find that their statement are false or their statement is truth, they will definitely take a step accordingly.
What
So
is your
far as
client? What
quarrels
is
and all
your
that-
client saying? What is your client saying at the moment? What does he have to say
See,
when these charges are made that there was an attempt that Pratyusha was in a difficult relationship? They've even accused him of physically abusing her. What do they have to say to that?
In fact, so far as my client is concerned, as per his version, their life was very much good. They were happy, living happily with each other. There must be some petty issues on which there may be any petty quarrels between them, which happens in every family. But we cannot say that was the main reason behind her suicide.
Right.
There should be some concrete or vital reason to take such an unfortunate step for Pratyusha. So at this juncture, I cannot make any such statement as to what reasons should be behind this unfortunate suicide case.
Okay, let me bring in once again the friends of Pratyusha, Vikas and Kamya. Kamya, is there a sense that maybe because of the emotional relationship that you all had or the close relationship you had with Pratyusha, you're looking for some kind of reason to explain why she would take the extreme step, and the soft target in a way has become her boyfriend Rahul?
Actually, I'll answer this one for you, Rajdeep. I do not think we are looking for a soft target. We are looking for answers. Till some point of time back, we were thinking maybe this might be a suicide after whatever might have happened between them. But when we got to know the version that Rahul has given and the version that really happened are two different versions, is the reason why we stood up and we said there's something completely wrong. When a girl commits suicide and she's hung herself, why are there marks on her face? And those marks have been captured by us in a video and in photographs. When they're saying they had a harmonious relationship and they were partying the whole night out, why would Pratyusha in the middle of the night at 3 o'clock call another girl and say she needs help, she needs to get out of this relationship, there's another girl who's really torturing her and all of that? And when Rahul has clearly mentioned that he left at 1 o'clock to get food, that's what the time 1:30 he's mentioned in his version, and said they were very happy, no fight happened, then how could Anuj be walking and hearing Pratyusha crying at 12 o'clock? You see, the thing is, there's the version that has been communicated to the police and completely opposite things for a common people like us can see. That's what we really want the police to notice and realize, is there anything else that's not been told? Because as friends, as family of Pratyusha, we need and we have the right to know what really happened to the girl.
No, you sure have the right, but Kamya, was Pratyusha, as some are suggesting, extremely fragile temperament, and therefore someone who could perhaps have even contemplated taking this extreme step from your experience of Pratyusha, Kamya?
Since the time I have known her, I know her that she is a very full of life girl. उसने कभी ऐसी कोई चीज, she's like, okay, things are not working out, move on. She was not one of those who would, get stuck to something and keep crying. She was not one of those who would want to keep sulking on her life. No. Her agenda was clear. If something is not working out, move on. Taking her life away, no, never. I don't believe that. Because since the time I had known her, नहीं, वो ऐसी लड़की नहीं है जो अपनी जान दे दे. And the most important thing is that she had called me few days back. It's like 3 days before her death. She had called me and she had told me that she wants to get out of this relationship and she cannot take it anymore. She wants to get out and be single and concentrate on her work. That was her last words to me. And so I don't believe that she committed suicide. Neither I am saying that it was a murder. I just want the truth to come out. But yes, I know for sure that she was in this troubled relationship with Rahul Raj. It was not smooth.
Okay, so there were questions that you are raising and there are questions that you are looking for answers to. Vikas Gupta, Kamya Punjabi, Anuj Sachdeva and Neeraj Gupta, I appreciate your joining us on what is really a tragic tale of an actor who has committed suicide. Let's return to our...
Okay, we're getting in news that the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal did attend the NIA officers' last rites, and when he did arrive, the locals started demanding compensation. We are also getting to...
Very weak. Footwork correct? Hi, this is Kohli very weak. Maintain this, huh? Hi, this is Kohli very